Hello guys, welcome on in all. Today I am going to discuss about an important order type which is called as good till traded orders. Good till traded orders are very much required for us in case we are a working professional because we can plan our trades and execute. We can make an entry and exit even without we being available at the system. The system will automatically take care of entry and exits. So good till traded system. Let's discuss about this in detail. What is the advantage of this? What are the advantages of this? One thing is, the first main advantage is you do not need to be in front of the system. You don't need to be in front of the system. You can automatically trade. You can automatically set the stop loss as well as the target. So that is the important factor. The second important factor is this feature is available. This feature is available in Zerodha. In case you have a Zerodha account, you can use this feature which is readily available for you. The next important point is so this is not available in all the brokers. Some of the brokers are only available. So you can use Zerodha in case you want to use this opportunity. So this can be used for both intraday trading, positional trading, as well as investment as well. So whether you want to do intraday trading, whether you want to do investment, whether you want to do positional trading, you can use this order type. So in order to use this order type, what you have to do? All you have to do is follow some simple rules and regulations and use it effectively so that it is very much required. Let's talk about how to use this system, how to use this GTT order during investment. Let me take an example. I want to buy TCS. Let's say I want to buy TCS. Tata Consultancy Services is a wonderful company. I want to purchase this and I want to place a GTT order for this. How do I plan this? Let me show you practically. How do I decide? I'm opening the chart of Tata Consultancy Services here. Tata Consultancy Services trade. I'm using 1 day chart here. So how do I know that when should I invest in a company? How do I know when should I invest? So I'm adding, see, for example, if I draw a trend line here, it's a wonderful opportunity to buy now, right? It is available at a lowest price since past 1 year. If you take past 1 year chart, I'm getting at a lowest price and it has made a double bottom and looks like after a price action has happened here and a down move has happened, now slowly an up move can come and proceed on the upper side. So this is the view I am having. Also, another easy way of understanding is adding a 200 period moving average, right? Exponential moving average. A 200 period moving average is a moving average which can be used, which is a 200 period moving average, an average price of past 200 days of any company or any stock or an index. So this will tell us that in past 1 year or past 200 trading days, what is the average? So I'm choosing here an indicator is freely available, moving average, 200 period moving average, and this stock is available even below the 200 period moving average, and this is a wonderful opportunity to buy, right? It is undervalued at this stage. I can see it is undervalued and can buy. Lot many IT stocks are available at a lower price right now to grab it. So this is an opportunity to show you that yes, I want to buy TCS, and for this TCS I want to place a GTT order. GTT means good till traded orders. Even before, if even I am not available at my system, I want to buy this. How do I buy this? Go to GTT, log into your Zerodha terminal, go to GTT, click on new GTT. Once you click on new GTT, since we are buying the TCS, right? I want to buy a TCS and I want to place a GTT order for this. So how do I place the GTT order? Search for TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Click on add, click on create GTT. We are creating an order type here called GTT order. Now what I have to do? I want to buy it, right? So I click on transaction type as buy and trigger type as single. So I want to click on a buy and I want to set it up. What is the price I want to buy? I want to buy it when the price comes to, let's say 3,150, right? Current price is 3,197, 192, 197, but I want to buy it at 3,150. So I choose 3,150 here, a single order, 3,150 and one quantity, and I am placing my order, which is 1.45% down from the current price. I'm placing my order right now. See here, I already placed the order now, and this order for one quantity, 3,150 is the price, and this order will be as it is active till next 1 year. So Zerodha is keeping my order safely for the next 1 year, and I can have this order and it will be there, it will be active for the next 1 year, right? In Zerodha. So what Zerodha does is, so if I have to give you some technical details, and at any point of time you don't need, you can delete the order as well, right? I don't want the order now to be executed, you can come back and delete. So what Zerodha does is, technically, Zerodha has an order management system within itself. It maintains an order management system within itself and sends to stock exchange only when the price matches, when the price meets our entry price. Whatever the price we have mentioned, if the price matches or meets the same price, only then Zerodha executes the order or sends the order to stock exchange. If it doesn't come, if the price doesn't come, the Zerodha will keep the order within itself and it doesn't send. That's the beauty of additional advantages of using Zerodha as one of the brokers. So this feature, let's say if 3150 is TCS, Zerodha will send order only when the price comes to 3150 and the stock exchange will pick this order, and then it will execute the order only when the price meets our entry price, right? That's the beauty of this system. You can actually use this very easily, and even if you're out of the state, out of a country, you can just already place your order and it automatically takes care, right? Hope you're learning something new today. Now I'm showing you how to do an intraday trade. So firstly, we learned about investment. Now let's say I'm taking an example on option. Especially I want to show you how to trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty and Financial Nifty, right? Fin Nifty. All these options, how to trade. Sir, many of us keeps on asking, sir, how do I trade in option? And I want to keep both stop loss as well as a target. So I'm using this for buying the option. For buying, first thing is you need to buy. First, you should have a strategy in place. If you do not have strategy, you can reach out to us to teach you wonderful strategies. Firstly, you need to have a wonderful strategy with you. Once you have the strategy in place, you can go and buy the order first. Buy any stock first. Buy any index first. So based on this strategy, I'm already showing you a live trade today. See, the day's low has broken with a beautiful red candle over there. And it's a bearish engulfing pattern as well, breaking the low of the day. And I've already made a trade as well. At 9:29. I've taken an entry at 190.8 and exited the trade at 9:49. 20 minutes of trade. I also recorded this video for you. I'll also show you now how this live trade happened as well, so that you can understand this better. Right, at the trade was happening at that point of time, the price of Bank Nifty was 42,553. So I've chosen 42,600 put option, which is the right option to choose. So I'm going now and choosing a 42,600 put option. So what do you have to do first? You need to buy 42,600 put option, right? Since market is falling down, we are going with the put option. Since market is falling and breaking the support, I am going with a 42,600 put option here. And this put option, I am going to plan this. I'm planning this to buy at what price? I'm buying the put option at this price, that is 190. 190 is my buying price. So 42,600 PE, since market is falling, so I am choosing a put option here. Since Bank Nifty is falling, even Nifty also is falling, so everything was breaking down. It's a good trade. So for a considerable amount of time, and there was no supports available at the bottom, so I took a trade. So it is trading at 42,558, hence I'm choosing 42,600 put option. Okay, so that is the one thing which I wanted to tell you. Second thing is I want to place a buy order. What is my buy price? So my buy price is, let me write down for you, my buy price is 190, right? 190 is my buy price and 25 quantity is what I'm buying. Can anybody tell me what is the total invested amount? What is the amount I'm investing here? 190 multiplied by 25 quantities. 190 multiplied by 25 quantity is how much? So let me use a calculator. 4,750 rupees. I'm investing 4,750 rupees here. With investing 4,750 rupees here, let's see what happens. Firstly, I have to buy, right? That is a step number one. Step number one is buying the option. I am going to buy this option by following number one step. The number one step is what? I am buying the option at 190 rupees. So first you need to buy. Next comes the second step. Second step is where you can sell the trade which you have taken and you want to keep both stop loss as well as target, right? Second step is you need to place a GTT order. If you use a normal order, I can only place a stop loss or I can only place a target. But if you use GTT order, you can place both in a single trade, in a single order. I can place both my stop loss as well as my target. This is the wonderful advantage of using a GTT order by placing both the stop loss and target, and you can close the system or close the mobile already because the system will take care of itself, right? So let's understand now what should be my stop loss and what should be my target. Usually most of the trades which I trade, I use only 40-point stop loss. More than enough. 40-point stop loss is what is 1,000 rupees, right? 40 points into 25 quantities in Bank Nifty is 1,000 rupees. And for Nifty trade, I use maximum 20 points. That is again 1,000 rupees. So my stop loss is 190 minus 40 is how much? 150 rupees. 150 point is my stop loss. And what should be the target? Can anybody ping me? Can anybody tell me in the chat box? What should be in the target? Can anybody post in the comment section below? Let's see if you're right or wrong. So yes, 190 plus 40 is 230, right? 230 is where I can sell this off, right? 40 point is my target. So now you see what is the risk to reward I'm taking here? 1:1, right? 1:1 means what? 40 points is my risk and 40 points is my reward. That's it. Because the more risk I take, the more reward I wait for. Market may already turn around. But 40 points easily market can give us because of the wonderful strategies which we use it for trading. Yes, of course, you may have to learn about strategy. If you don't know the strategy, please reach out to us. We can always help and guide you so that you can also be a wonderful trader as well. So now if you see here, I've already taken a trade at 929. At 929 by placing a GTT order. Once I place a GTT order, now I already set a sell GTT order where I place both my stop loss and target. How do I do it? Come to GTT, create a new GTT, place new GTT, search for that 42,600 PE which we bought earlier, search for that 42,600 PE, click on create a new GTT, create GTT, select OCO. Because we are selling, you need to click on sell. Because we are selling, we need to create on sell, click on sell, then select OCO. One cancels another order, right? One cancels another order means if my target's order gets executed, my stop loss will get cancelled. If my stop loss order get executed, my target order will get cancelled. Means automatically this happens. Let me explain you this concept. For example, let's say I'm buying at 190. Let's say I'm buying at 190 and my target we already know is 230, 40 points. And my target we also know which is 150, which we already know. So this is my target and below is my stop loss, right? 40 point stop loss, 40 point target. Now, let's see market keeps on going up and makes a profit. Means market falls down and the option premium rises and hits 230. When 230 is hit automatically, it gets executed and my stop loss order will get cancelled. My stop loss order will get cancelled and target order will get executed. That is the beauty of this system. Automatically my target order gets executed and my stop loss order get cancelled. Similarly, if market falls down, my stop loss order will get executed and my target order will get cancelled. So one cancels another order. That's a wonderful feature of this GTT. You don't need to manage it. It automatically manages itself entry and exit points. That's the beauty of it. I've already taken a trade. I took a 40-point stop loss in the morning. I mentored the target as well and the target is done as well. I'm also showing you a live trade today as well. I've recorded the live trade as well, which I'm appending to this video, which you can watch and understand how beautifully in live market the live trades have been taken and done. I hope there's a great learning for you in this video and take this forward for more learning. So keep continuing the video so that you can watch the live trade coming up for you. See, hardly with 5,000 rupees of investment, already 1,000 rupees of returns was made already. So that is the capability of market. If you know properly when to enter, what to enter, how to enter, where to enter, why to enter, and all these aspects of trading, then you will know when, what, how, and where to do. Do subscribe to the channel. Do not miss. Also comment your views, what I'm taking, does it make sense or not, right? Use this GTT order effectively and create daily income for yourself, even though you're working professional, or you can be office goer or a student or a homemaker, or anyone, you can continue to do it. Now let's move to the live trade, where I've taken a live trade as well. Let me show you the live trade. Hello guys, good morning one and all. So today I want to show you a trade and also how to use GTT orders for trading as well. So for example, right now if you see Bank Nifty is breaking down. So if I draw this line, see Bank Nifty is breaking down, Nifty is breaking down. So I can go for a put option trade here, and next previous day support only I can see at this level. So I have a scope from here to here to make some profits. So 17,745 is where it is trading. So let me go to my terminal. And add 17,000. What is it trading? 17,742. So I add 17,750 PE. I can trade 17,750 PE, or Bank Nifty I can trade 42,600 PE. Bank Nifty I can trade 42,600 PE, or Nifty I can trade 17,750 PE. So I can see that the put option trade is coming up because the market is breaking down. So I will go for a trade right now here. So Bank Nifty I'm going for a 25 quantity market order. If you can see here, 191 is where I bought this trade already. 191 is where I bought the trade already. 191. So let me see the chart how it looks now. Let me show you the chart how it looks. Okay, I've opened a 5-minute chart here. If you can see here, I opened a 5-minute chart here. This is place where we bought the trade around 190. So this is the place where I have bought the trade. So this is my entry point. So what is my stop loss point going to be? For example, if I go to this trade, if I go to this, so there is a short coming up here, right? Sell trade is coming up, a perfect trade from our side, Let's see what is the position. 195, already making 2.5% profit. Let's keep a target and a stop loss, guys. Let's keep a target and stop loss. I am going with the usually 30 to 40 point stop loss. So I'm going for a long position here at this point of time, and I'm keeping a stop loss of 40 points. Let's say my 40 point stop loss comes here around 140, and my target also comes 40 points, right? At 230. Okay, 230 is my target, and 149 is my stop loss. Now I want to place a GTT order for this. Now I want to place 200 rupees profit at this point of time. See, 3-4% return online. So what I can do, I can go and sell here and place a GTT order for this. I can place a GTT order for this, stop loss and target as well. How to keep it? Go to your order book. Where you want to keep a stop loss and a target. Likewise, like how I showed you here. Let's say I want to keep a stop loss and a target here. So this is my target. Let's say this is my target. T-A-R-G-E-T. Okay, this is my target. This is going to be my target. And this is going to be my stop loss. Okay, 40 point stop loss, 40 point target. So this is where I've taken a trade already. I'm looking for this target. Now I want to place one order where I can keep both the target and stop loss. That is where GTT order comes into place. Right now we are making this much profit. Let me go to order book. See, this is the one executed order which is already there. I am placing a GTT. Go to GTT order here. Go to GTT order, create a new GTT. What is the trade we have taken here? 42,600. So type Bank Nifty 42,600 PE. So yes, March 42,600 PE is what we got here. So adding it, then create a GTT. So click on create GTT. Now I have to set a stop loss and target, right? Now I want to set a stop loss and target. So select one cancels another order. One cancels another order means I am canceling one order. If buy happens, sell will get cancelled. If sell happens, buy will get cancelled. So this is the order type which I am talking about here. So one cancels another order type, and where I'm kept to keep the stop loss, guys, as per this. If you see here, 149 is my stop loss, and here 229, 230 is my target, right? So come here. So what is my stop loss? 149. When should it trigger? 150 should be the triggering point, and stop loss should be 149. You should give both trigger price as well as price. Similarly, when should be my trigger price for the target? Let's say 229 is my trigger price and 230 is my target, right? See, it's 23% stop loss on the downside, 17% on the top for a target as well. I'm keeping this, placing the order. Yes, right, trigger price has to be greater, so I keep this 230 and this one I keep at 229. Okay, place the order. Cannot be created with the first trigger price more than the last price. Okay, what is the last price? 194. Okay, let's see, create new GTT. So 42,600 P. Okay, then I am creating a sell order here. I'm creating a GTT order here. Once cancels another here. Stop loss I am keeping at 149 to 150. And target I am keeping at 229 to 230. Okay, I place the order. This cannot be created with the first trigger price more than the last trigger price. Sorry, I'm keeping a buy order here. That's the problem. I need to select the sell order, right? I need to select the sell order, of course. So 149, 150. Okay, and similarly 229 and 230. So you keep it, you place the order, and it's done. See, I've already placed the order here, right? Upside and the downside, both orders are kept, guys, already. And now we are only just looking for profits now. 200, at 200, and any point of time you want to exit, you can go to the order, you can select this GTT order, you can go here, cancel or edit and modify, edit and modify and sell it, or you can click on this, cancel or delete the order and sell it. Anything is okay. Now, right now I'm trying to show you a live trade here of GTT order, right? Where did we take a trade? We took a trade here. We are placing a stop loss here of 40 points. We're looking for a target here. What is the reason for this trade? Like I said, the breakdown. The breakdown morning is a breakdown of the low. Similarly, Nifty also breakdown of the low, and the next support I can see only yesterday's low, which is here. Similarly, in Bank Nifty, I can see only the supports at a very lower levels, somewhere here. Previous day maximum support was taken here. So till here there is a lot of scope in the market today, so it can fall down, right? So perfect trade, can call it as a perfect trade, a perfect entry. You can see Nifty also breaking down, Bank Nifty also breaking down, a perfect trade, a perfect choice of trade, right? So let's see what is the profits. Okay, 3 to 5% profit quickly we have got already. See, some of the people just aim for those 10 points, right? 10 points this is so quickly is done and dusted already. Let's see how this trade goes and see how much we are making profits today. Okay, we'll keep you posted and keep it going. Hello guys, we have taken a trade and we are waiting and watching what happens. Let's see. Okay, now 207, 420 rupees profit already. 8 to 9%, 10% profits are coming up right now in the trade. See, we have marked the target. We have taken a trade here around 190. We have placed the target already. Broken down. Nifty has broken down. Bank Nifty has broken down. The price action. See the price action, guys. Here, breaking the day's low and then retesting the levels and falling down. That is where the conviction will be more. Same thing for Nifty as well. Broken down initially and then retested the levels and formed a wick from that same level and fallen down. And I'm seeing a Nifty support at this area, and that is when I can expect a profit in Bank Nifty as well, so that I can close my trade of 40 points. Hope market gives me those 40 points today. So let's wait for this opportunity. We have taken a trade, already placed the order, GTT order. We have placed both the target as well as stop loss, and currently it's moving with 500 rupees profit. So this is what you're already making 10% profit, guys. If you know entire 1 year in a bank, if we just get 5% returns, and this is the possibility of market. If you trade with knowledge and the right attitude and the right risk management and right process, you don't need big money to trade. You don't need at all big money. See here, I've kept my stop loss at 149 and kept my target at 229, and target is 10% away already. Since 10% is already achieved, I'm looking for a 20% in one trade. See, this trade is giving me 20% returns. If we are trading options, definitely 1000 rupees risk will be there, because 30 to 40 point stop loss we have to take. So based on this, you have to plan your trades. If you don't want at any point of time, you can delete this order and you can just execute, modify and execute, or you can just cancel the order and just execute and modify and exit whatever profit you're taking. But always try to stick to some rules, because you start deviating the rules, you'll not be able to make much profit. So I've taken a trade, I'm just sticking to my rules. You see the back breakdown. Yes, the more breakdown is coming up right now. See, my target zone is reaching now in Nifty, and Bank Nifty is breaking down as well, and the rejection also has formed here, and the fall is coming. Hope my target is coming right now in within few seconds we can expect the targets. So right now it's 220, almost 220 is reached, guys. 220 is reached. Just my target is 3% away from here, 3 to 5% away, and in minutes my target can come. Hope it doesn't reverse from here. 225 is the high. Wow, 225 is the high. I just need 4 points more. 229. If 229 comes up, my target will be done and dusted already. Let's wait and see if in the next candle, in the following up candle, we will get a target or not. I'm expecting to get the targets, because of the fears of the fall which is happening, and there is no support at all. Whereas Nifty is getting a support in the next 10 points. Nifty has a support, so Bank Nifty by then also may reach there. And Nifty also on a 5-minute chart has a 200 period moving average support at that area. So it may probably take a support from that area and reverse. So that is the reason I'm looking forward for. And also our beautiful power zone is also available at the Nifty support area as well. So I'm looking forward. And also it's a previous day low as well, right? The previous day low can act as a great support for Nifty, but Bank Nifty is still far. But I prefer to follow Nifty, because Nifty is a top 50 stocks in Indian market, which is overall average price. So based on Nifty movement, we can calculate and exit the Bank Nifty as well. Let's hope this trade gives us profit. By then Nifty also reaches this support, and then we can make some profits, right? Okay, so hoping for this trade. Bank Nifty has support at a very bottom. Yesterday's low is at very bottom, whereas Nifty is almost at the bottom. So if one of the index reaches the bottom, we already get a support. So that is the reason this area is very crucial now. So it makes sense for us to book a profit as soon as we get it. So see, a 1 hour candle shows a beautiful red candle, which it signifies that we are definitely going to make a profit. Yes, my order is executed. 230. Yes, done. Almost 1000 rupees profit. 986. Almost 1000 rupees profit. 40 rupees is what I'm going to give us brokerage and STT, and target is done and dusted at 230. This is what, guys. This is what is all I'm talking about. Follow the system. Follow the rules. Follow the process. Nobody can take the money out of you. Yes, of course, there can be trades, there can be few hits, there can be few misses, but if you follow the system, strategy and methodology, nobody can beat you. Yes, this is what the GTT order is all about. I wanted to talk about this GTT order, give you a virtual real trading experience as well. Hope do click the link below, follow, like, subscribe our channel, so that more and more learning videos I can prepare for you. See you again in the next video. Till then, your friend, your Pavan, signing off from here. See you, tata and bye bye.